that's looking down into the tarmac. And there's the departure boards up there. We are in the food court of SeaTac Airport, and they, as you can see, they also put in brand new elevators here. Brand new KONE EcoDiscs. And here it is. Pretty nice. Here are the buttons. And there's the phone. We do have a capacity of 4,000 pounds. And there's an earthquake mode here for something. All right, let's take this up to mezzanine.
Mezzanine floor.
What's up right behind me? There's a restaurant. This is over by Salty at the Seas. And BrewTop Social. We'll do one more ride. This time looking out the side.
Mezzanine floor.
Down to T. And I believe right under there is EcoDisc. And here we are.
Going up.
You know what? Let's watch it go up. Being that there's no music. And that will be it.